even more excitement. You could actually take that new vehicle, which comes out in, 2024? You could take it and charge it on Tesla's Supercharger network because Tesla is preparing Supercharger membership for non-Tesla EV owners. This has already happened in Europe. I had some people visiting from Europe recently, and they're like, what are you talking about, man? Everybody's charging on the Tesla. They can't do that. There's no monopoly over there. Everybody, no matter what your car, you charge on the Tesla. I was like, oh, really? Okay. In Europe, they've been using a standard CCS plug, and now Tesla is preparing an adapter for non-Tesla owners for their superchargers here in North America. It was expected to happen for a while. Not everybody loves it. I mean, if you're talking about widespread EV adoption, then access to Tesla's network is a big deal because it is a robust network comparatively. But then you have some Tesla owners that are sitting there saying, now I'm just going to be lined up for longer. And I bought your damn car, sir.
Right.
I thought I was going to have the privilege here. Instead, now you're going to have more cars lined up. Now, the reason people discovered this is because there was a page, a screenshot of like an early placeholder page for this membership. And it showcased two different plans: pay-as-you-go, access to the Supercharger network, or 99 cents a month in the US, access to the Supercharger network, which would then unlock a lower price per kilowatt. So obviously you're paying to charge here. Many believe that the 99 cents is just a placeholder in and of itself, and that would have to be more money than that for a membership, maybe $10 a month. This is all speculation at the moment. But this page, and as well as all the other variety of conversation around this, should showcase that this is sooner than later, that you're going to have not just Teslas charging on the network.
Does this worry you?
Go ahead.
In that there's going to be more cars using superchargers.
Oh, absolutely.
And we don't have like an abundance like in California or something.
Well, but funny enough, in a lot of the video clips I see of people complaining about waiting in line for a charger do come from California. So, yeah, they have a lot of chargers, but they also have a lot of Teslas.
Right.
Around here, I was in Markham all weekend, this past weekend, and I go past Markville Mall over there, and there's a lot of empty Tesla chargers. And
I see.
if you continue down, Highway 7? If you Highway 7 near the 404, that plaza there where the
Commerce Gate or something?
Yeah, exactly. They got a bunch more and they weren't even taken up. So I don't know, maybe we're okay over here for the time being. But now, if Tesla, I don't know if there's going to be subsidies in order to build more of these things. I don't know if it's easier now for plazas and malls to put these in because now they're not having to make a deal with only one automaker. They can kind of support everybody who visits their plaza or mall or whatever. Because one thing I've noticed is if you have a Tesla supercharger, set of superchargers, you usually don't have any universal ones. And if you have universal ones, you never have Tesla ones.
Yeah. So I'm thinking there might be like some sort of war.
There may have been previously, but this would obviously open things up.
Yeah.
But it is funny, once you start charging for it, Tesla becomes a major electricity dealer.
For sure, yeah.
With whatever markup they want to apply to it. I mean, potentially. I'm not saying they're going to do that.